What's up, YouTube? It's Pneumatic back at it with another video. I decided to visit one of my homeboys. He has some rims for sale, and I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna you know, throw some 24s on the Murano. See how they look. What do you guys think? I think they look pretty good. I'm gonna get them redone. I might do them myself, or I might send them off to be redone. You know, can't do it new. I don't got money like that, but you know, I'm gonna make it work. Figure out a way to make it work. They look like they fit nice. They're 24-inch wheels. And I think they came out pretty nice. And these are the factory 18-inch wheels I had on there. I think they look pretty nice. I would let it down. The tires need a little air in them, but look like tires need a little air, but the fitment looks like it fits pretty good. I'll throw some ram on there, you know what I mean? Trying to throw some ram on them. Out here stunting on a budget. 24-inch, black on black. I'm debating to do them all black or leave a little chrome or polished shining. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. And yeah. Hey, so I'm back with the rims. I think they look nice. I'm debating whether to do a DIY and repaint them myself or send them off to a rim shop. But I think it would be cool to kind of fix them up myself, since I got them on such a great deal, basically for nothing. My friend was just trying to get rid of the wheels, and you know, they just so happen to fit on the Murano, and you know, just why not do a little something to upgrade the look for you know, on a budget, basically. I think they had a nice little look to the car. The tires are good. I might need one tire or so, but I'll get that sorted out. And so stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be fixing these up. I'm going to try to do it pretty soon and get them on the car and see how it rides. So stay tuned for that. And they came off of a FX 35 of Infinity, so I know they should ride pretty good if basically the Murano is like the same type of platform as that truck. So we'll see how that works. So stay tuned. GTR is pretty much all set. We're just getting a dyno date ready. Get that thing on the rollers and see what it will do on E85, and also see how much the stock trims can handle, and that's kind of my goal with that. I don't want to upgrade the trims yet, but trying to hold it off. So we're gonna try to keep the torque numbers at a certain point, not too high, and see how much horsepower we can squeak out. But that should be a fun little that's gonna be a great video, actually. It's gonna be epic. So stay tuned for that, and that's it. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Everybody that's a father, happy Father's Day. And it's a beautiful day over here. You know, grill and chill, all that. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification button for me. And I'm doing the giveaway at 500 subscribers. So climbing, still climbing. We'll get there and we'll do my first giveaway, you know. So thank you. Bye. Young nigga used to mash out. Yeah, we link up at Vlad's house.
Used to turn into a trap house, never sleep with the bags out. Yeah, I wasn't playing, ooh, I was a one-man army, ooh, had to get it all off me. Kush kick like it snores, weed smoking really bores. Had a duck from the Taurus, how you illegal when it was here before us?